Hello everyone. In the series of updates on various legal issues, today we would focus our attention on an issue which is on a hot pan, at least in the state of Maharashtra. And this issue is about domestic workers, electricians, plumbers, or any other such self employed people working in individual houses in the cooperative societies of Maharashtra. As we proceed ahead, I would request you to like and subscribe my page for further updates on various legal issues. As we all know, the current situation of COVID 19 before entering India had spread into a lot of countries. And considering the spread of this virus, the World Health Organization declared a public health emergency of international concern on 30th January 2020 and declared COVID 19 as a pandemic on 11th of March 2020. Indian government then declared a lockdown with effect from 24th of March 2020, and this affected a lot of normal activities like domestic help, plumbing, electricians, car washing, etc., which were earlier carried out on a day-to-day basis in cooperative societies as well as individual houses. State of Maharashtra declared a complete lockdown with effect from 25th of March, and now the lockdown is applied only to containment areas or containment zones till 30th of June. Current situation of lockdown. As per the notification issued by Ministry of Home Affairs dated 30th May 2020, lockdown shall remain in containment zones and demarcated areas by district authorities only. So, states may, based on their assessment, prohibit certain activities outside the containment zones. In consideration of this notification, states like Maharashtra have allowed self employed persons like maids, electricians, plumbers, etc., to resume work based on certain standard operating procedures through notifications as are issued by district authorities. Considering this, societies cannot object such persons working in individual homes if prescribed standard operating procedures are diligently followed. Currently, there are a lot of incidences which are observed which show that the societies are not allowing individual houses to avail the services of domestic maids or any other self employed people. And we will here discuss the legal provisions to challenge any of these society decisions. So, first of all, let us know that cooperative societies in Maharashtra are governed by Maharashtra Cooperative Societies Act 1960 and its bylaws. Section 79, subsection A, subsection 1 of the Maharashtra Cooperative Societies Act 1960 states that state government of Maharashtra has the power to issue orders in public interest. Any cooperative society to pass a decision needs to approve it by majority as per bylaw 135, and bylaw 111 states that no decision shall be passed by majority which overrules the directions of Maharashtra Cooperative Societies Act. Legal rights for availing services. If the person who is providing services to you, someone like a domestic maid or a plumber or electrician or a vendor of gas cylinders, he belongs to a non-containment zone as specified by the state, then he is eligible to provide you service at your house in your society without any hassle. If any rules mandated by the state government or the district authorities through their notifications from time to time are flouted, then the concerned person has a legal right to lodge a FIR under Section 188 of the Disaster Management Act. The concerned person shall also register his grievances in the municipal authority office or the district collector's office. For availing the services of any self-employed person in society or in an individual house, there are certain standard operating procedures which need to be followed at all cost. So I have tried to bifurcate the procedures for society and for individual owners here. So these are the following procedures as you can see in the table attached. So for society, it mostly consists of providing a hand sanitizer or a liquid soap available at the main entrance, a thermal temperature gun available in society to check the temperature of people entering in the society, and entry should be banned without mask to any person who is coming from outside in the society. Now coming to the individual owner flats. So it is prescribed that when a self-employed person is in your house to work, he may be a domestic maid or plumber, electrician, any person. So it is prescribed that all the people in the house wear a mask, because as we know the virus spreads through air and it generally formulates in the air. So if you are not wearing a mask, then this may affect you. Secondly, any person when he comes into the house, we can provide him a hand sanitizer or a liquid soap to clean his hands, and this can be continued when the person completes his job and is now out of the way from the house. Also, a cloth bag is to be provided to the person to keep his valuables like mobile, keys, watches, etc. To summarize this topic, it is important to note that the society has to abide by the provisions of Maharashtra Cooperative Societies Act 1960. It is necessary that the self-employed person who provides services does not reside or work in any containment zones, and if the society or any other individual objects any person to avail the services of any self-employed person as discussed before, then such concerned person shall challenge this objection of the society or any individual and has the right to take appropriate legal action against such objection. I do hope that this video will help you guys to decide your future course of action for availing such services. Thank you very much, and I request you to like and subscribe to my channel for any further updates on such various legal topics. Thank you.